Hey guys, it's Adam with Green Chili Adventure Gear, and I've got my son Jackson, one of their ADV bros. Today we're going to talk about installing the FLO Motorsports radiator guards on a 2024 KTM 450 XCFW. It's the bike that we're doing our social media build stuff on, and here's what they are. FLO has a few, they have them in different colors. They've also got them in billet and in cast. We did the billet version for these, and the part number is FLO 751 BLK CNC machined. One of the first things I want to do is get them unboxed, and on the Green Chili channel I'm kind of going to go through and show like the weight and things like that, what it adds or subtracts as we do these modifications. But my son Jackson here is going to help us install them today. We're going to do a how-to video on how to put them on. Okay, Jax, you ready to start getting it installed? You want to show us what tools we're going to use?
Yeah. Alright, so you use a ratchet, and the extension is optional. It just makes it easier. And you can use a T30 or an 8mm and a 6mm.
So Jax, the first thing we need to do, you need to take the seat off so that we can take the side plastics off. It's possible that you could do this job without taking side plastics off, but so we can show it on camera and so it'll be easier for you, we're going to go ahead and take the seat off, and then these side plastics can come on.
Alright.
So the first thing you do is take your seat bolt out, other way. Yep.
And once you get it, you just kind of undo it.
Slide your seat forward so you take it off. Yep. There you go. Yeah, just wiggle it forward. There you go. The thing you're going to want to do, you have these two bolts, and these two bolts, and then we'll take two off the front, but that's what, go ahead and do those first. Remember, these are in plastic, so be gentle with them.
Six millimeter. There we go.
Other way. There you go. You go ahead and take these out too.
Okay, I'm gonna wait so I know which ones.
You got two in the front.
And I can go.
Two bolts in the orange plastic, so one up here and one down here.
And now I'm going to grab my.
You need your extension.
Okay.
Line it up, buddy. Keep going. Alright. Back. Yeah, there we go. Sorry. Slide it back. So you have a bolt that looks like that, and on the plastic there's a slot right here. So it actually slides back away so you can take it off.
Alright, so now these two bolts here and here we're going to take off. And you can take the extension off if you need to. to take that bolt off. And
so now, next thing you need to do, this radiator has tabs on each corner that kind of catch in. So you lift it off the tab, and it also has them on the inside, and work that plastic guard off. There you go. I try the bottom corner next, bottom inside corner, kind of push it. Let's see. There you go. And then you should be able to work that top corner also. Kind of get your finger in there and push that tab towards the middle of the bike.
can't see. Yep. I think I got it almost.
Yeah, there you go. All right, so that's the OEM guard off. And next we just need to hold the flow guard on. So next we're going to put the flow guards on, and we're using all the OEM hardware to put it back.
Make sure you have the right side.
Yeah, they do have left and right sides. So go ahead and get your the last two bolts that we took out up here and down here. Those are the two you're going to start with putting them back on. You need me to hold it up for you?
I think I got it.
Don't drop it.
Start it.
Does it feel like it's sitting in there correct? Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Wait, was that supposed to be over it?
Yeah, it's fine. The plastics, remember the plastics screw in here.
Oh, yeah.
And it helps stabilize everything. Just go ahead and get them tight. Not too much, remember it's a small fastener. Let me feel that. I don't want them to twist off. Yeah, that's good.
I think that's good right there.
Let me check it. Oh. So was this one lined up like that? Yeah, I think that one's okay. Remember that little circle on the radiator had to line up? I think the top one popped over. That's why we had to tighten it so much. Okay, so next we're going to start putting the plastic back.
Alright, so now we're going to take this and basically push it up through there. These right here have to be in front of this. So, kind of have to bend it a little bit. I think I got that. Nope.
Yeah, push it in and then pull it forward. Did that get it?
I don't think so.
No, it's not. There you go. Now it's forward.
And then right here with that little tab, you want to slide that under there. Like that.
Yep. Now your screws are lining up across the top and on the tank. And then down here, I'm going to make sure that those silver screws, the silver grommets, are in front of the radiator, because the screw has to go through the grommet and into that radiator guard. Just get those started, and then I would do your radiator grommets next. because those can be the harder ones to start if they don't line up right. Okay. Is it lining up easy?
Yeah.
Get your topping started before you snug that bottom in case it needs to move. The plastic has flex to it.
Yeah.
There you go. So tighten those first two up. And remember, you're tightening those bolts into aluminum, so just make them
Yeah, I got them
firmly
snug.
snug. Don't really crank down on them. Check it. Yeah, that's plenty tight. Yeah, that's good. Okay. So now do your bolts on the top.
Okay.
The right side will be done. And remember, these are tightening down into plastic, so you don't want to go too tight. You just want to snug them. Just snug it. Okay, not too much. You need your 6mm. Other way. Yeah, you're good. Keep going. Okay.
I want my extension for that.
Not too much. Okay. So that's one side done. We just got to do it again. There you go. Got the FLO radiator guards installed. think those look pretty dang sharp.